Hello there, future millionaire. Today, I have something very special in store for you. In this video, I will unveil the top 10 assets that will make you rich in 2024. So sit back, take notes, and get ready to embark on your journey to financial success. Asset 1. Cryptocurrency. Let's kick things off with the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies. In 2024, the crypto market is set to explode, presenting opportunities for incredible wealth. Investing in digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins could potentially multiply your wealth overnight. But remember, diligence and research are key to making smart investments in this ever-evolving landscape. Asset 2. Renewable energy. The future is green, my friends. As the world becomes more environmentally conscious, investing in renewable energy sources is a surefire way to grow your wealth while saving the planet. Whether it's solar, wind, or geothermal power, putting your money into these sustainable solutions will not only generate substantial returns but also contribute to a more sustainable future. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Asset 3. Artificial intelligence. Prepare yourself for the rise of artificial intelligence. As technology continues to advance, AI presents an unmissable opportunity. Investing in AI-driven companies, robotics, and automation can open doors to lucrative profits. With automation shaping various industries, being aligned with this groundbreaking technology is a must for any ambitious investor. Asset 4. Real estate. Bricks and mortar have always been a solid investment. The real estate market, despite its ups and downs, has proven to be a reliable asset class. In 2024, investing strategically in properties, both residential and commercial, could yield significant gains. Location, demand, and potential for growth should guide your decisions in this field. Asset 5. Sustainable agriculture. Feeding a growing population sustainably will be essential in the future. Investing in innovative agricultural techniques, vertical farming, or food tech startups can be highly rewarding. As people become more health-conscious and environmentally aware, these agricultural advancements offer an opportunity to reap financial rewards while promoting sustainable practices. Asset 6. E-commerce. The world of online shopping is here to stay, and it's only getting bigger. Jumping onto the e-commerce bandwagon, whether through creating your own online business or investing in established platforms, can be a game-changer for your financial future. As more consumers turn to online shopping, strategically positioning yourself in this thriving industry can lead to substantial profits. Asset 7. Biotech and healthcare. Health is wealth, and investing in the biotech and healthcare sector is not only lucrative but also contributes to bettering lives. As medical advancements accelerate, investing in biotech companies and healthcare solutions has the potential to generate remarkable returns. Just imagine, your investment could contribute to life-saving breakthroughs. Asset 8. Human resources and talent development. Investing in people is investing in success. In the competitive landscape of 2024, companies will be on the lookout for exceptional talents. Investing in human resources and talent development platforms can help bridge the gap between companies and skilled individuals. Embracing the future of work and supporting top-notch talent could lead to unforeseen financial gains. Asset 9. Clean water solutions. Water scarcity is a pressing global issue that requires immediate attention. Investing in water solutions such as desalination technologies, filtration systems, or water conservation projects not only contributes to solving this crisis but also opens doors to significant profits. Clean water is a necessity for all, and those who invest in its provision will surely be rewarded. Asset 10. Personal development. Last but certainly not least, investing in yourself is the ultimate asset. In 2024, personal development, education, and skills enhancement will become even more important. Investing in courses, mentorship programs, and self-improvement tools allows you to continuously evolve, putting you at the forefront of success in any field you choose. And there you have it, my ambitious friend. The top 10 assets that will make you rich in 2024. Remember, success requires calculated risks, continuous learning, and strategic investments. So, Seize these opportunities, adapt to the changing times, and build your empire from the ground up. You've got what it takes to join the ranks of the wealthy. Now, go out there and make it happen.